off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, I'm going back to the table, and all they saving us for the stable friend of mine. Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, no you don't care, no you don't care, no you don't care, no you don't care. Could be good, then you fade, then you fade away. No you don't care, no you don't care, no you don't care. Could be good, then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm missing. My feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much?
Don't tell me you are still paying hundreds, $200s of dollars for a wig, honey, when she ain't got the human hair wigs for $25, girl. Okay, cop you one, boo. Now let's get into this video. All right, y'all, so if you know me, then you know your girl can't remember a script. Okay, so I'm gonna read to y'all what they gave to me. So on here, they have on here $100 buy my whole year's wigs. Wow, whoa, D word, crazy. Okay, y'all, SHEIN has the human hair wigs plus a BOGO sale going on right now. Okay, so click that link down below, check down below. They have a code, and I think let's see what the code is. The code is wig 11. Okay, go and search wig 11 and you guys can get some cheap wigs, honey. Okay, it's human hair. It may be short. This one is short. The one that I had on before, it was short, but they're human hair and they're cheap. And I think they have the BOGO sale going on. Okay, so the sale that they have is from February 20th to April the 9th. Now I'm filming this on March 13th because I got the wigs last week, child. Okay, I can only do what I can do when I can do it, girl. Okay, so the sale is from February 20th to April 9th. So you still have time to cop you a wig, honey. Cop a wig for your baby's prom, whatever. Cop you a wig, honey. She ain't be coming through with the come through when they come through. So also you can get this like free goodie pack, and you get all the goodies. All the goodies, which includes a wax stick, it includes a brush, it includes one of those baby hair combs, it includes the thing to lay your wigs down with, it includes the HD wig cap, it also comes with a comb, And it also comes with some SHEIN glue. And they also have, and this is bond glue, bold hole. I'm talking about bond glue. It has bold hole glue. And they also have the glue remover on the site. Now I'm not sure if it come in the packaging because it did not come in this particular packaging that I received, but I did receive another packaging and it came in that. So it also has that glue, girl. It also had a glue remover, girl. Okay, so if you get the glue and you're not a glue person, definitely cop you that glue removal as well. And in order to get that free gift, girl, you need to put in the code WIGS24. So cop you one, boo. Okay, cop you one. Now let's get into this wig right quick. And this is not going to be my standard type, well, wigs. This is not going to be my standard type of video. Now I will say with both of these short units that I received, they don't have any combs in them whatsoever, but they do have the adjustable straps. You can make it as tight as you want. I feel very secure. I do. You guys know I will let you know if I did not, but I do feel very secure. I feel like the wig is on my head. I'm not worried. I'm not worried that it's gonna come off. Okay, so I would suggest adjusting the straps, especially if you have a smaller head. I am an average cap size, so honey, do whatever you want to do with it. But if you are a larger head or an average cap size, then you really don't have to worry about adjust those straps, honey, and you are good. If you have a smaller cap size, if you have a smaller head, then crisscross applesauce that thing, girl, and it should work. Now this one is probably my favorite. I don't know if the other short one is your favorite, but this one is my favorite. I love something with like a fluffy bang. I'm a fluffy bang type of girl. Whenever I wear shorter units, I like to wear hats, and I love to wear hats with a fluffy bang type unit. The other wig is also really cute, and I love a good 99J, but this one is just giving Chrissy. Okay, this one is giving Chrissy. Okay, so this one is my favorite, but I feel like both are very cute. They're very affordable, and girl, they're $25 for human hair. And if you want to curl it a little more, if you want to apply heat and do all the things, you can. I did not, because I wanted to show you this unit straight out of the packaging. Now honey, some people don't like when I do that. They be wanting me to finesse and act like I'm somebody's beautician, and I am not, honey. Okay, your girl is a nurse by trade, not a beautician, not a hairstylist. I review wigs, but I review it from the perspective as a person that is you, a consumer. Okay, I don't review wigs like I'm a beautician, because I am not. She is not that. If you're looking for a beautician, you're looking at the wrong girl. Okay, so I like it as is. I like the style of this unit. I think it is cute as is. And if you want to apply heat, if you want to tweak it and you want to do extra stuff, then I suggest you do it, girl. As far as shedding and tangling with both units, I received none of the tings. It's a short wig. I didn't expect to receive any of the tings. If I had received any of the tings, then it need to go back to SHEIN, girl. Okay, it need to go back to them. But I did not receive any of the things with either of the units. I love both units. I think they're super cute, but this one just happens to be my favorite. I will have direct links to both units down below, as well as how you guys can get this discount, to get the codes, to get the free gifts, to get all the things. I will have it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, that is basically it. Y'all let me know which one is your favorite. Do you like the one that I like, or do you prefer the other one? Sound off down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, SHEIN, for all the things. And yeah, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not already, follow me on all my social media platforms. I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helps Me to See on Snapchat. And I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.